Samsung is sorry. What's up guys, we're back with the latest news. This could be the final video on the whole game optimization service drama. Samsung has gone through its roughest time in the recent few weeks, and now they have finally fixed the issue that almost caused the mobile head of division to lose his position. Samsung has finally started updating the Galaxy S22 series with a new update that adds performance priority mode, which disables the GOS, unlocking the true potential of your Galaxy flagship that you always deserved, especially when playing games. You can expect more than 15 to 20 FPS in some of the top end games. Samsung has also confirmed that the other models will also get this update, like the Galaxy S21 series, the Galaxy Z series, and probably all the way till the Galaxy S10 series. You're gonna see better performance across all of these flagships. Samsung has also apologized for this whole GOS drama. The mobile head of division TM Rowe has apologized to the employees through an internal town hall meeting. The lack of communication with the Samsung employees was the big problem. This all could have been avoided if Samsung communicated this thing better, not just with the employees but also to the public with this whole GOS issue. Now there were some interesting questions answered as well. Samsung is set to focus on a custom chip solution for its future flagship phones, mainly when it comes to the heat dissipation and cooling. The Galaxy S22 series is said to be more or less the same in terms of the heat management as the S21 lineup, which is not a good thing because the new chips, they just run hot. This is one of the main reasons why the AMD GPU inside the Exynos 2200 variant of the S22 series is clocked lower. All in all, despite all the drama, it's a win-win for the consumers. We now finally get the ability to disable the GOS and get the top performance. Now this update is currently rolling out in South Korea where the big drama happened, and then from there on it will be pushed to other regions. Also in the news, Samsung took a dig at Apple. Apple, as we know, recently announced possibly the world's strongest chip in the class, the M1 Ultra, and of course some new green colored iPhone 13 models. Samsung took a notice of this by saying this on Twitter, basically saying that they did the Ultra and green color before Apple. This kind of backfired on them because people quickly mentioned how Samsung is the one that backtracks by doing things just like Apple, like removing the chargers from the box, and not to mention removing headphone jacks from not just their flagships but now even on the mid-range phones. In my opinion, I think it was a bit of a weak take by Samsung. So that's all the latest news. The GOS issue is now solved. The update is here and is coming soon for all the markets. Samsung is sorry for what happened, and this will likely never happen again. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.